Hello everyone, this is Gayatri. Hope you are doing good. Today's topic is force and pressure. What is pressure? The force acting on an unit of surface is called pressure. That is, the intensity of force on any object depends upon the area of application and the force applied. So, the formula for pressure is equal to force by area on which it acts. So, from this notation we can easily define area and force. The SI unit of pressure is Pascal. When the area increases, the pressure decreases. When the area decreases, pressure increases. Some of the applications of pressure in daily life. We have two cases when it comes to the application of pressure in daily life. The first case is small area resulting in greater pressure. Second case is larger area resulting in smaller pressure. Some of the examples. Why is it easier to cut with a sharp knife than with a blunt one? Try cutting vegetables with a blunt knife and also with a sharp knife. Which one is easier? A blunt one or sharp one? Obviously the sharp one. Because the sharp knife cuts more effectively than a blunt knife. Lesser surface area resulting in greater pressure. The next example is, why is it easier to walk on sand with flat shoes than high-heeled shoes? High-heeled shoes sink deeper in soft ground in comparison with flat ones because the weight of high-heeled shoe is spread over a small area while compared to flat ones, which results in greater pressure. Why does lying on a bed of nails not hurt? All the nails in the bed of nails almost of the same height. So the area will be more, so the pressure will decrease. So the impact, that is the pain, will be less. So bigger surface area, it reduces the pressure. So whenever someone shows you a magic of this kind, we can ask them that, can I replace only one nail with another nail which is bigger or smaller height? They won't accept. Different height nails will cause the effective surface area will be decrease. So the pressure will be more. Automatically it will give some pain to them. That's why in the bed of nails they are using all the nails of same height. So the pressure exerted by each nail is not enough to puncture the person's skin. Why shoulder bags are provided with broad straps? Because school bag is heavy. Weight will be carried by our shoulders. If the strap is thick, area is more. So the pressure will be less. So the pressure on your shoulders is less. So we will feel pain less. That's why larger area results in smaller pressure. Why do porters place a round piece of cloth on their heads? Porters put a round piece of cloth over their head when they are to carry heavy loads. So the area of contact between the load and the head of the person increases. So automatically the pressure on their head tends to decrease. So it is easier for them to carry the loads. Why does a camel can easily walk on sand? It is difficult for us to walk on sand because our feet sink onto it. Camel has wide and flat feet. Pressure exerted by its body on the sand is less. It covers more surface area. So if it is more surface area it occupies, So automatically the pressure will be less. A simple problem. A force of 65 Newton exerts a pressure of 5 Pascal. Find the area. We already know the pressure formula. Pressure is equal to force by area. From this we can get area. So area equal to force by pressure. When we substitute this, we can easily find the area. Answer the following. What is pressure? Why shoulder bags are provided with broad straps? A force of 50 Newton acts on an area of 60 centimeter square. Calculate the pressure. Calculate the force which exerts a pressure of 60 Pascal and an area of 5 meter square. Do the following activity and record your observations. Refer chapter 11, Force and Pressure, activity 11.3 in page number 131 in NCERT book, grade 8 science.